yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a Hellkillian time. That's right, the Hellkillians are in the building, and this one is a special Hellkillian. Y'all keep saying T-Light, you gotta check out the undefeated black Hellkillian Charger. Well, I guess it's time for me to check it out. You keep sending me all the links. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Can the boys in blue calm this wild, crazy, undefeated Hellkillian down, or will the Hellkillian take his undefeated Hellkillian toes and give the devil the best show on this side of YouTube and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Oh, off the gate? Yabba dabba doo! Body on earth, foots in hell. Here come my Hellkillian toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Oh, he off the gate. He gone. But he ain't moving as fast as I thought he would be moving. They say this the undefeated one. Oh, he already doing 114? Oh, he cut that close. Pull over. We just wanna talk. I thought y'all said he got busy. Y'all sure that's a Hellcat? Why is this cop keeping up with him? I thought y'all said he had a Hellcat. This look like a RT, man. Oh, he's a risk taker. Oh, he on his. Oh my goodness. Oh, he in track mode. Oh, he's in track mode. Man, he getting little. Oh my goodness. He doing tricks like your baby mama do tricks with the magic stick. She makes it disappear. Voila, magic. Man, he flying. Oh, he is the truth. He must have been playing at the beginning, because he getting littler and littler. We're the little bits. We're all around. Man, he moving. Where is he at? Every time I see a black car, I think it's him, and it's not him. I think I see him. He way up there. He in the middle lane, I think. No, you doing 140. He's doing 160. Yeah, you doing 140. He's 160, 170. Speeds is 140. Yeah, your speed. Make sure you verify that it's your speed. It's cold as ice when they give you a cop cruiser that max out at 140. That's wild. This is crazy, because I don't even see him no more. And I know the cop got his foot all the way down the hill. And I don't even see this Charger no more. This is crazy. I ain't know he was like this, y'all. He the truth. He can still see him. I can't see him. He got eagle. This cop got some good eyes. He got a potty mouth, but he got some good eyes.
I can't give it to you right now. I'm making a right on 138, going back into the county.
Move! Get out the way! A butthurt police officer on the pursuit. He know he can't see this Charger. So he chasing nothing. He doing full speed chasing nothing. Is that what you're telling me?
138 westbound Berry Drive.
Man, this is crazy, man. This man is going full speed chasing a Spectre. He chasing Spectre off of Twisted Metal. Y'all remember Twisted Metal Spectre? That was my favorite character. Man, he used to shoot the rocket that can go through anything. He chasing Spectre, man. That's crazy. Where's Sweet Tooth at? Put this cop out of his misery. This is crazy. Crazy like the AC ain't working in my room. Crazy. I'm in here cooking like some grits.
All right, I lost him at International Park. Go ahead and cancel.
Yeah, 1022, man. You out here wasting our time. You out here wasting everybody's time. All them sizzle. 1 week later? Oh, this is another part? Oh, this is a week later. Hold on. Is that him right there? The legend? The myth? That's the myth right there, y'all. Yeehaw! 1 week later, he gonna give him belted. You know what I'm talking about? BTA, baby. Belted butt. Oh, he hit the brakes on him? Oh, I thought that was him. Man, he hitting them speed bumps fast. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. You just gonna run the stop sign like that, officer? I thought y'all had to stop at the stop signs. They about to tear the whole transmission out the bottom of that cop cruiser. They about to tear the whole transmission out that bad boy. How do they know he went to 285 North? Nah, he got to the highway. It's over. It's wraps. It's a wrap. It's over. It's OV. He said he on the right shoulder, real reckless. What are you doing on the shoulder then? If he reckless, you must be a menace. He playing with fire on that shoulder like that, though. That's a pop tire waiting to happen. The undefeated Charger ain't no joke, man. He is a monster. I thought y'all was playing, man. I never did no chase on him, man. I didn't know. I didn't know it was like this. Hold on, is it a Scat Pack or a Hellcat now? I'm hearing RT, Hell. What is he riding in, y'all? I know it was a slim body, but I don't know if it was a Hellcat or a Scat or RT, because you know they be up badging these cars nowadays. It definitely wasn't no wide body though. I gotta get a good look at it again. This cop car seems like it's got a V8 in it now. I don't know. He said he still got eyes on him. I don't know how, because I can't see him. I think he might be lying. He might be lying, y'all. This is supposed to be the Blackhawk unit. They need to black it out because it's over. Hold on, bro. You're not catching up to him. How you gonna catch up to him and you doing like 80, 90 miles an hour, if that? Yeah, you ain't even doing 70. Nah, ain't no way you can catch him. You never had him. What are we talking about here? The first time you saw him was the last time you saw him. He said, I don't got him. No, you never had him. I'm going to call you Pinocchio because you're a good liar. Officer Pinocchio, meet me in the comments. I did not know he was like that. That's a slim body. They say that, is it a scat or a Hellcat? Now, is it two different versions of the undefeated Charger? Is it two guys? Because I'm confused, man. Because I thought y'all said one was in a Hellcat. They keep saying this is a scat. So which is it? Is it two guys or one guy? I'm confused. All I know is this guy right here was a monster. This guy here was a monster. At first I was like, man, he ain't like that. They hyping him up for no reason. Nah, he like that. He definitely like that. He know what he doing. And the thing about him, it seemed like he fearless. He don't care. He don't care if he crash. He don't care if he injure anybody. He just don't care. All he care about is humiliating the cops and getting away by any means necessary. He don't care. And when you messing with somebody that's fearless, that don't care about their life, see, he don't care about losing his life. This is what he loved to do. This is what he loves to do. So if he got to leave, get unalive doing the thing that he loves to do, he's willing to do that. And when you chasing somebody like that, you need to be on the same page as him. I'm willing to unalive myself to catch you. And I don't think any cop is willing to do that. Unalive themselves to catch this person or put too many innocent people at risk. Even though they putting plenty of people at risk doing speeds of 140, he topped out right here at 140. That's dangerous. Have you ever went 140 miles an hour? I know you probably say, that ain't that fast. Do 140 miles an hour and come back and call me and tell me what did it feel like. And the getaway guy is doing 170, 180. Hell, he might even hit 200. He might have a modified Charger. He might even hit 200. You know how big of the peanuts you gotta have to do something like that? Yeah, this was a wild chase, man. Shout out to the undefeated Charger guy. He's a monster. Shout out to the boys in blue for even trying to catch him, because come on now. You knew your car was not fast enough. Only way you was gonna catch him is you had to be a superb driver. See, the traffic would help you keep up with him if you are a superb driver. But none of these guys were superb drivers to keep up with him, because you can make up for his mistakes by being a better driver. But none of these cops were like that. But with that being said, meet me in the comments and let me know what you think. Is this the undefeated Charger that everybody's talking about, or am I mistaken? And it's another one that's better than this guy or gal, because I don't know if it's a guy or girl that's driving this thing. But meet me in the comments and let me know. And I appreciate y'all for linking these videos and linking this chase. It's like every month and every week y'all link the Black Charger, do a review on this. I'm like, damn, but everybody seemed like they done did the videos of this guy. I guess I'll do it, man. It don't hurt. If the Werewolf Pack wanted, I'll do it. It was worth it, y'all. I didn't know, man. Maybe I just start a undefeated Charger playlist, and I react to all his videos, because I didn't know. I didn't know it was like that. But with that being said, I'm gonna slide on up out of here, man. Y'all stay blessed up. Y'all stay safe. I'm gonna leave y'all with some positivity. What you complaining for? What you mean, Tlites? Why are you complaining? You chose the job that you work, right? So why are you complaining every day? You chose to work there, right? Yeah. Why are you complaining about your wife or your girlfriend or your significant other? You chose to be with them, right? So what you complaining about? Why are you complaining about your current situation? You put yourself in that situation, right? So what you complaining about? You need to stop complaining and get to doing. Swallow your pride. Pull your big pants up, big boy pants up, big girl panties, whatever you want to call it. Stop complaining. Because 9 times out of 10, the position you in, you chose it. You can do something about it, though. You can make the changes necessary to get yourself out of that situation or make that situation better. But if you chose to be in that situation, you ain't got no right to keep complaining every day, all day about the situation. Hell, some of y'all in great situations, and you still be complaining. Got a great job, made great money, got a great significant other. Everything is good, and you still find a way to complain. Look in the mirror and say, I will not complain no more. I will just do. Watch how easy your life becomes when you stop complaining about every damn thing. Stop being that person, complainy-wainy. Stop being him. I'm gonna need for you to stop being complainy whiny. Can you stop doing that for me? And just get out there and get it and make it happen? But with that being said, I'ma slide on up out of here. Y'all stay blessed up and y'all stay safe. And we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Pull over. And I do mean pull over. But, if you got the juice and you want to be like the undefeated Charger, the top runner, well, you probably want to be a top driver.